Hello guys, Sofiat Woodman here and welcome to another video on buying Google AdSense approval website, and exactly here the platform Flippa.com, #1 platform to buy and sell domain online businesses, and here blogs and like AdSense, Shopify, Amazon and etc. So when you sign up and after you create your account, okay, here we have in the search bar on the dashboard Flippa page. Okay, we can let's click on AdSense. So after that it will get you to the page where you will find monetization website which absolutely by Google AdSense. So here we have for the famous or expensive website, you can see here the prices here. So if you want you can take a look, but here the dashboard you can select, for example, just quickly here we have like website and online businesses. You can create like domains, anything here, games, so or just keep it normal. But here, so website, you can let's click blog and content. Okay, so no forum, no review, no directory. So and scroll down here you can find like monthly users, but monthly page views, domain links here, extension, let's say like google.com and .com, .net, let's say like okay, and scroll down here you can find price range. So here from okay, let's see from $1 to $1,000. So here you can see the website available to your selected price range. So for example, here we have like VA lottery result times Mojo or times Mojo.com from India, Digital Piano Planet, Jamaica, the country. So here, okay, let's select any website. Okay, so make sure to see these logos, Google AdSense, Google Analytics, like this one. Yeah, okay, so let's select this one, Samsung printer driver. So watch, view, listen, of course. And here you can see the website. So if you click here, so you will find the domain name and the full website. So basically it is the website of domain. So Samsung-driver.com. Yes, I don't like the domain name, to be honest, it's much longer. But if you can do like a quick result, for example, here you can see rank according to the similar web, so how much traffic monthly. So last in October, so monthly with what 732, and so here you can say the country, so mostly from Germany or 100% from Germany. We have like marketing mix source from search, direct, referrals and other things. Okay, so here is the website. Here you can say home, director, you can see the menu. So here, okay, you can see here the content on Deutsch language or German language. So if you are interested in dealing with people from the North Europe, especially in Germany, here you can take this website. Okay, so let's see the analytic here from the content, from the revenue monthly, from page view. Okay, so the page views as we see on similar web result, and here we have revenue monthly $75. So here what you can get from this website, so about the business, like the visitor, opportunities for growth, ads earning growth, add more posts. So here you can read about the seller. So from Indonesia, and here. So the seller have 3 listings for sale other websites. So here also like a domain Deutschland domain.com. So if you want to buy, you can just contact the seller for more information and you can do your result. So check if the website contains Google AdSense. So let me open new incognito Windows to see the ads. If we can realize, yes, so this is the Google AdSense. You can see here Google AdSense and Google Ads banner. So guys, if you are interested in buying this domain or the website, yes, here what you can do. So here, so you can see, so buy it now for 3,000 US dollar. I think it's expensive, to be honest. So here, if you want to place any bid, yes, you can. So here, the current price is 100 US dollar. You can place your bid, and if you want more information, you can just contact the seller. So just contact the seller here. For example, you can say hi to give you more information and more detail about the website. But you can just back on Flippa and search for anything, let's say like fitness blogs, for example. Search if you are interested in any niche like fitness, like sport. Here you can find, but websites are like less expensive. For example, let's take a look on this one. So bestlifevitamin.com. So here is the price. It's a little cheaper, but not sure that the website is contain or is generates ads like Google AdSense. So here is e-commerce, health and beauty. So not sure about the Google AdSense, but Flippa has a lot of websites, so you can buy or you can sell if you want to start business here. So guys, how to buy Google AdSense approval website. Here you can find table of content. It's very useful for buying any website. So guys, thank you for your watching. Hope you like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace out.